bakit ka naglayla? Hindi ka maglayla kay Chow.
I'm the smart, only the hero, no matter what.
Gaze the stars and seek your path.
Enemy is picking. Come on, Dexter. It's our show time.
Top 14.
Kita dyan.
Anong daog? I-tiktok ang tanga ni? Ang gano'n.
Anong TikTok?
Ang pinatamaan. Kapag itong magday sa min tiktokan ko, ha? Makakadadawag ka naman.
Mabayli naman si Hero.
Basta. Pag tiktokan, itong kunyari piprestalan mo itong pinakamagandang. Kunyari, di mo na hiling sa kalaban, pinana mo. Pinana.
May pana ba ganyan eh? Si Loy eh?
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Huwag daw ko lang bilog sa rayuan.
Everyone has the right to embrace their true self. Request backup! Ring puppet, request backup! Not control. Taken it. I have been The future of Katie is in our hands. Enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Di ako kay Chow, di ako. Akin na yun ang ginagawa mo. Chow.
Our victories will be limitless.
Ay!
I have been slain.
Gana kayo.
like a string puppet, you are totally under my control.
Blue ah.
Everyone has the right to embrace their true self. Killing spree. All go back to where we belong.
Total blue yun.
Loneliness never bothers me. Your life is worthless, but I will take it anyway. Initiate retreat! Initiate retreat! You are failing, the Oriental warriors. An ally has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret has been destroyed. And slain the turret.
Ibagsak sa kalaban.
Turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Shut down. The future of Cadia Riverlands is in our hands. Shut down. Our victories will be limitless.
Ano to?